Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make the blow dart gun. So first you're going to need tape, scissors, a shoestring, any shoestring, a razor blade, and a little needle. So first you take the string and you cut about that much from the tip, just a little bit, like this, a little thing. So the next, where'd my needle go? Crap. Whatever, I have another needle. Okay, then you take this, and you take it and you ruffle it out a little bit, unruffle it, and crap. And then next you take your tape and you open it. Too much, hold on. About that much. Crap. I'll do just a little spot. And then take your needle, put this thing on to the tip of the thing, like that. Take the needle, stick it out about that much, then wrap the tape all around it, get it tight on there, about that. If you have too much tape, just snip some of the tape off. And there you got a dart. Then I just took a straw, a normal straw, and if it fits good, yeah, it fits good. Then you just get any hard surface, like this wall. It sticks right in. That's how to make an easy blow dart gun. Oh crap, I forgot to turn it off.